It's a new dawn, it's a new day.
If I turn on my motorcycle, my dash doesn't come on.
This time, it's quite literally a dawn. You see the dawn over the water? Tranquility is how I would describe it. And then my alarm goes off. It's 7 o'clock right now. I've been awake since 5 o'clock, I think, because I was cold and couldn't sleep. First night's always the hardest with camping. We said we were gonna get up at around 7, 7:30 to eat something, and then we're gonna clean up and leave because we want to do as much riding as possible because we only got 4 days. So yes, it's I think 7:45 now. I have my little soup here, my warm soup, tomato soup with a slice of bread, and my dad had his coffee, and that was enough for him. I already had my coffee. It was very good, very warm, which is great for this this morning, because it's a pretty cold morning in my opinion. My dad's like, it's not cold. Alright, 1 hour later, we are packed and ready to go. We're 15 minutes away from the TET route. Let's make it an early start. First off-road track of the day. Really overgrown plants and ruts. Singevallen. Just when I started filming, I fell. Huh? Hey!
Nederlands?
Nederlands, ja.
Moeilijke route hier?
Ja, het is zo van die speciale modderige onderkant zo. Dus,
had a very nice view here after that uphill climb and those puddles. Now we're gonna move on downwards. Let's go. Ik ben helemaal nat, jong. Godverdomme. So my dad fell because yeah, there was no floor when he stuck out his leg, he said so. Yes, I fell again. Came here, super slippery, sideways, and yeah, couldn't keep it up. Give him all. There is more damage than it seemed. If I turn on my motorcycle, my dash doesn't come on. We've been looking for some wires, some loose wires, but we didn't see anything at first sight. And then another little thing, this came loose this way. So and I think it broke the thing here that holds it there, so that's a bit unfortunate, but yeah, every time I fall there's something that breaks or loosens up, or yeah. That was not the case when we rode that Belgium. So that just shows that France is a bit more extreme. My backlight and my blinkers also don't work, but we found the fuse for the backlight, the horn, because the horn doesn't work also, and we think the dash. So I hope that's the plug that we need to fix, and then we can just, you know, ride on with it fixed. Let's try. Perfect. We can ride. Thanks, Dad, for being a dad and fixing things. You're welcome. Yet again, we fell, or my dad fell. 3, 2, 1. Now it's my turn. I'm not gonna go through the middle, I'm gonna go here to the right and through the forest, because this is if the rally edition cannot do it, the CBX cannot do it. I just know it. This is another treacherous road. Every few meters there is like a really muddy pool. But I think we can just ride on to the left here. Because this is just, it's not just water, it's the slipperiness underneath the water. Nasty fall. Oh shit. Oh, dat is gewoon aan mij.
Dat is het voordeel van niet te sterk, hè?
What?
Het buigt mee.
It just folded and now it's okay. Nothing wrong. Dude. And now we're in this lovely piece of land. We came up there and then you could see nothing, just uphill, and then nothing, and then
came over uphill, and then we saw this wide open landscape. And the two bikes here looking so pretty. A bit damaged, sadly, but yeah, they're managing. They're not broken yet. Karma. Oh, dat zal zeer hebben gedaan. We arrived at the campsite and we ate already. We had a lot of hunger, and this campsite's a bit different than the previous one. It's like in the city kind of area, not really in the quiet environment or something. So, but it's okay. I mean, we have a lot of room and it's cheap. It's 13 euros for 2 person for 1 night. So can't go wrong with that. Today was pretty eventful. We dropped our bikes twice each this time instead of three times each. So that's an improvement. The problem with my fuse, that was a bit panic, because I really thought this is it. This is gonna be the end, or there's some serious damage or something like that. But no, it was just a fuse. So also with my dad's bike falling against the tree, that was also like, oh shit, what's going to happen with the windshield. But that was fine too. So there you go. Another thing is that my like little fleece vest that I had on yesterday, the gray one, it flew away, and I just now realized that it's gone. I undressed like in the middle of the day because it was really warm, and I put it between my like banders or straps, but now I see it's gone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Dad, anything to add?
I think everything was already said.
Okay.
It was an eventful day, and at the end of the day, everything worked out.
Yes.
That's the most important.
Yes.
That you can continue the adventure.
Yes. We continue tomorrow, so tune in next week. Subscribe if you aren't already. And now, bye bye.